Hi guys, how are you? So I did a vote hour or so ago. I did a vote on what I should do. I had to get some dinner into me. I didn't eat real well today. There's not a lot of gluten-free food in the house anymore. I need to go grocery shopping. So I didn't eat real well. Ate like crap today. Hi, Sarah. And so my sugar was low. So I was like, I need to get some food into me. And then I can do a demo. I'm just waving to people, sorry. And that's exactly what I did. I got some food into me, had some dinner. I feel so much better. And so now I wanted to talk to you guys. I did a vote between midnight oil demo and a lip demo, and you guys voted, and midnight oil came out on top. They had all the votes, 100%. So that is what I'm going to do the demo on. So I'm going to pull my hair back because anytime I'm washing my face and doing things, I want my hair pulled back. So, and it is a hot mess, but that's okay. There we go. Now I can get in and not worry about my hair getting all wet. Okay. So our midnight oil comes in a face wash. Hi, Mom. It comes in a face wash, and it comes in, which is an oil-based face wash, or it comes in a face serum. They are both marula oil based. So before I get started, I want to talk about why marula oil is so good and how it has transformed my skin in like the 6 weeks that I have used it. Marula oil is so good because it replenishes the skin very well. It's very moisturizing. It's actually an anti-aging. It tightens your skin. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with pigmentation. And as you can see, I'm still a little pink, but I am leaps and bounds from where I was. Marula oil, because it's an oil base, it's healing. So scars, if you're acne prone, that would be another. Hi, Kim. That would be another thing that midnight oil helps with. I have had breakouts. It happens. Hormones happen. I've had breakouts here and there, and I've put my midnight oil on, and it's gone the next day. So that is pretty freaking amazing. So it is an oil base. It is for normal to dry, but I do know people who are oily or acne prone can use this and they don't have a problem. There's a difference between, having oily skin and having breakouts and having imbalance in hormones. So there is a difference. So, but it has helped dramatically. For me, it has helped with my psoriasis and my eczema. I used to have hyperpigmentation really bad in my cheeks. Again, my skin's really dry, so it's always going to be red for that reason because I'm so dry, but it's actually helped to fade that redness and that pigmentation. I've had rosy cheeks my whole life, and this has kind of and again, it's getting red because I keep touching it. I'll try not to touch it, but it has helped dramatically. I have a couple little red spots, but other than that, it is amazing. So what I'm going to do, and it doesn't lather like, I've got some water here. It doesn't lather like, say, a normal traditional soap was, and I'm gonna show you on camera. Make sure you can see. It comes, I just did it right on my table. It comes out just like an oil. Just like an oil. Just like a normal face oil. It's a little bit, it's not as thick as the serum, but it is. And you can see it doesn't lather. So what I do is I get a sea sponge because it doesn't lather, and I like that lather, and I want to feel like it's deep cleaning, so I just use a sea sponge. I started using a sea sponge because Quench Cleanse didn't lather like Dream Clean. So when I used Quench Cleanse, I wanted that lather. So also, let me open these up. I can feel it. It just feels really, when I put it on, it's kind of like for me, and it's maybe not for everybody. For me, it's kind of like, I don't know. It's a cooling sensation I get, and I love it. It feels really good. But I want to get one of these pads out. I did put some mascara on just a few minutes ago because I wanted to show you guys that I no longer have to use abrasive things to remove my eye makeup. It just comes right off with this. So when I'm washing my face, I wash my eyes with it, and it comes right off. Look at that, came right off. So I found it really hard to get a gentle removing mascara. I went to Sephora and I would get their stuff and it would just burn my eyes so bad. So this I use. It's also helped like my eyebrows come in thicker, and it's helped my lashes as well. And it removes all the eye makeup. That's what's so amazing to me. Hi, Kendra. Hi, Angela. How are you guys? Like, it's gone. It's removed it all. Trying to see if I have any like, nope, it's gone. It's all gone. So it's pretty amazing. So once I have rinsed this off, oh, it feels so good. Like, I can't tell you how good it feels. I just dab it. And what I like to use is I like to use my 40 Cure. You guys know how I feel about 40 Cure. So I just kind of put a dab here, dab here. Again, do you have to have 40 Cure to use this? Of course not. It's just what I like to do. Another thing I wanted to mention is, again, I've told you guys how dry my skin is. And I exfoliate about 3 times a week. So like every other day. And I was having to apply a moisturizer if I was not wearing makeup probably about 3 times a day. I was just dabbing on 40 Cure like this. My skin is that dry. And with this, I put it on, wash my face before I go to bed or in the evening. And I put this on and I don't have to put anything else on the rest of the day. My skin feels baby smooth, like cashmere, the whole day. When I wear makeup, I use this in addition to my primer, and it just moisturizes, and it moisturizes, and it just keeps my skin feeling amazing. Again, I do like probably 3 to 4 drops, and I just mix it in with the 40. It is that simple. It is that easy. That's it. So for me, and again, I love all of our products. And that's what's kind of crazy is I was with another company that I did not love all their products. I did not. And I can say that I love probably 99% of the products. And if there's something I don't love, it's probably just that age bracket that I did not learn how to use that product when I was younger. And so it's not for me. So that's it. Like, and it feels so baby smooth. Oh, I cannot get over how amazing it is. So, but that's it. This isn't going to be a long live. I just wanted to hop on and demo this because I let you guys vote, and this is what you picked. You picked Midnight Oil. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I think they work best together. That is just my feelings on it, because this moisturizes your skin. It removes all the impurities on your skin. It removes all your makeup. Sometime I need to come back on here when I have a full faced makeup and do it, and you'll see it like removes all the makeup. And I haven't found a face wash that did that was able to be gentle and effective by removing everything, including mascara. And then this just like replenishes and rebalances your skin, and it feels amazing, and it does amazing things for your skin. If you are curious, look up marula oil, Google it, and find out the benefits. It is endless on what this is, and it is an amazing product. So you can get them individually, but by all means, I think it's best when you get them together. But that's just me. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. If you like this video, please like and share. If you have a beauty guide, please reach out to them, and they will be able to help you out. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you later.